Guys, welcome back to the funding series, a series where I'm documenting my whole funding journey, showing you the wins, the losses, the lessons learned. As a lot of you guys might know from the last episode, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar is pulling back to our area. So if we get some bearish momentum, I'll show you in a minute the opportunity. Could be looking good for an entry short, trend continuation move. So if we get an entry, I'll let you know. Looking for the continuation, similar to the US dollar CAD position, rejecting these levels, bearish engulfing, looking for the continuation to the downside. 4 hour, 1 hour has broken down. We're pulling back to the area, but we just need a breakdown on this 5 minute, which we could get. If we do, I'll let you know. Okay guys, looking like there could be an entry soon. We're breaking down the 1 hour. So we just need a break and close on the 5 minute below that low and the 5 minute 50 EMA. Again, daily's looking very nice for the bearish continuation to the downside. It's clearly in the bearish trend, making lower lows, lower highs. 4 hour and 1 hour, you can see both have shifted. Lower low on the 4 hour, lower low on the 1 hour, pulling back to our areas of value, the pivot, breaking down as we speak. So yeah, I'll be looking for an entry if we break and close in the next 3 minutes, break and close below that low. Good risk reward, 3 to 1 on the table. So yeah, perfect opportunity. Okay guys, we've broken close below. I've just executed short. Again, nice trade. We'll see how it plays out. Again, it could fail. Nothing guaranteed to say this is definitely going to win. But again, it's part of my plan. Exactly like in the previous episode, the US dollar CAD position. Daily time frame looking bearish. Everything else is broken down. My entry criteria has been met. Breakdown below the pivot, below the 5 minute 50. The lower time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, both broken down. And most importantly, the risk reward offers a 3.93 to 1. So our reward will be $900, which is a lovely amount if we do hit that. Okay guys, update on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar trade. Stopped out for negative 1%. Again, it was my model, my entry model breakdown. Similar entry model to the US dollar CAD one, but this one just didn't play out. So, it's what it is. I love the risk reward in this trade, 4 to 1. So I can afford to take this trade and be wrong frequently if I do then get the winner of 4%. So, yeah. I'll update you if there's any more opportunities for this week and any trades that I'm in. When looking at the FTMO dashboard, we can see, look, negative 7%. So still major drawdown after taking that 1% loss. Like I said before, guys, my main priority is focusing on trend continuation moves, or I will be taking pullback moves if it offers a bigger risk reward. So 2 to 1s. If not, most of them don't. I won't be executing. My main way of getting out this drawdown is increasing my risk reward. So I can have a lower strike rate. I don't want to. I need to increase my strike rate too. The reason why I'm in drawdown is because I've had a low strike rate with low risk reward. So when I have been winning, I've not been winning substantially. But yeah, still not looking great. I'm documenting it all, being raw, open, honest, you know, showing everything. Most people won't show this side of trading. I'm progressing, I'm learning, I'm improving. So if you guys want to comment and I read all the comments, give me some advice moving forward. Also like, comment and subscribe so this gets out to more people, and that way we can show a real journey, a true journey of someone, normal guy trying to progress, trying to show everything and learn. But yeah, hopefully guys, we can get out this drawdown by using that methodology, and yeah, we'll see. Okay guys, I've just executed short on Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen. Again, similar to the other moves, trend continuation move to the downside. I'll show you, but yeah, good opportunity. So I've executed short just now on that. You can see on the daily, beautiful higher time frame candle rejecting in a downward trend, rejecting the daily 50, predicting a continuation to the downside. 4 hour breakdown of my key confluence, the 4 hour 50 and the 1 hour 50, and then we broke down. This is the 15 minute, but on the 5 minute we broke down here. Only negative is the fact that I would prefer a nicer close on the 15 minute, so a nicer breakdown. But you can also execute on the 5 minute upon the breakdown, which was here, but I didn't take the trade there. I took it around about here. So yeah, we'll see. It's a, again, setup that I like. It's a setup that is part of my plan. Breakdown and retest of the 1 hour and 4 hour 50. Haven't retested the pivot, but we've got room above there. Trend continuation move on the daily. Good risk reward, about 2 to 1, 1.98. So yeah. Okay guys, just gone London Open. We're in a bit of drawdown. see if the volatility kicks in and we start selling off. But yeah, about halfway to stop loss, so not looking ideal, but we could still reject from this area, which would be okay. Okay guys, so we rejected this area. 4 hours just closed, nice bearish engulfing candle rejecting the 0.382 and the 4 hour 50. We've broken down on the 15-minute. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. See if we get the continued sell-off. This could be the potential lower high. Now we're looking to make a lower low and continue back to the daily low. But yeah, keep you updated on this position. Anything could happen. It's looking nicer now because of the rejection on the 4 hour and 1 hour break back down. But again, we've still got full risk running and anything can happen. Update on this current position. We're around break even, slight bit of profit. We broke down nicely now, which is a benefit. I mean, it's more probable. Nothing's guaranteed on the 15-minute. If we can break this low, then the next target is the prior low. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on anything, how this develops. We could just completely hit stop loss, or we could sell off and continue with the daily momentum to the downside, which would be lovely if that does occur. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on this position. I also did some more backtesting at the weekend just to build more confidence in my strategy. Although I know I backtested it before, I backtested just 2024 data on one of the currency pairs, and it got 11.37%. That was including pullback moves, so trend continuation moves and pullback moves. 11.37% if I executed my plan. And it actually had a 70% win rate on that currency pair. So obviously some currency pairs are going to perform better. Currently my win rate isn't very good at all, which is why we're struggling in drawdown. But it shows that the entry model that I have and the way my bias is, it does have some kind of edge. I mean, I backtested years of data, but I just decided to backtest 2024 data. And executing at the same point, at the pivot, at the 0.382 fib, at the 1 hour breakdown of the 1 hour and 4 hour 50 EMA, showing some bearish momentum, continue with the daily directional predictions. There is some kind of edge, so I don't want to change something too much. I know that sequential drawdown occurs. It happens to everybody. 6-7 losses in a row is normal. It can happen. But if you have large risk reward, you can have 1 or 2 trades that can get you a lot of that back. So my focus, like I just mentioned, is take high probability setups. I need to stick with the plan. I've traded this plan for a while. I'll review after the challenge is done. Some people were saying why, why would I do that? Because I need to have trust that this edge does play out. And I haven't been performing perfectly, but I also know that I am executing my plan, some lower probability setups. But I just need to ensure I keep sticking with high risk reward, good quality trades, and hopefully we can get out this drawdown. I was watching some very successful traders on the Words of Wisdom podcast. I'm sure a lot of you guys would have heard of that podcast. It's a massive trading podcast. And a reoccurring theme was said amongst a lot of the most successful traders. And they said, it isn't just strategy. I mean, there's millions of ways and hundreds of ways to make money. Someone could be trading solely news. Someone could be trading just price action. Someone could be trading just this type of style, this concept. But the thing is it is about you executing that plan, because if it was just one strategy that worked for everyone would just trade that strategy and make money. The problem is every strategy goes through losing periods, and it's how you deal with those losing periods. It's like people when they take 3-4 losses in a row, and I get it. You want to change things, change it to the next best strategy, to the next holy grail, a strategy that doesn't take losses. But dealing with losing, accepting losing, and understanding probabilities and edge is more important than a particular strategy. Obviously, there's going to be some strategies that suit you better, your personality, your type of personality, whether you're a swing trader, day trader, scalper, whatever that may be. But fundamentally, a lot of comments are about strategy, change strategy, your strategy doesn't work. I do have data to suggest this works, but I need to make it work. And if I can't make this work, when I know a lot of successful traders are making this work, what's to say I'm going to be able to make an ICT strategy work, or another supply and demand strategy work, or whatever that may be, a smart money concept strategy work. If I'm not making this work, there's probably more internal issues in terms of my mentality and my consistency and discipline. I mean, I would think I'm pretty disciplined. I show up every day. I keep going with all these challenges, but my point is, a lot of it isn't down just to strategy. It's important to have an edge. You have to have an edge. It is important. But if I can't make this work when I know other people, I generally know other people in the community that trade this exact same style that can and are funded, then I'm not going to be able to make another strategy work. So a lot of it comes within, and it's the psychological struggles and not executing things when you've had a few losses, or being fearful when you've had a few losses, or self-sabotaging, taking lower probability setups because you're having a losing streak and you want to get that money back. A lot of it lies within. So that's why I'm sticking with what I'm doing for now, and then we can review after the challenge. Just got some bearish momentum coming to the market. We're stalling at this level, and now we've just had some bearish momentum, which is nice. So hopefully we can break and close below this low. If we get a break and close below this low, then it's higher chance that we're going to continue in the bearish trend. But yeah, still sitting, being patient, not changed anything. There's still risk on the table. Again, this could quite easily reverse still. Nothing's guaranteed. It's only guaranteed when you close out for profit or loss or whatever it is. So yeah, bearish momentum's kicked into the market. I'll keep you updated at how we react at this low. Okay guys, update on the position. Pull back. We haven't rejected the extreme low, but we have started to reject. Still not cause for concern. Still bearish, so we'll have to see how this progresses. Okay guys, so I'm probably going to call an end to this video. I'll update you on this trade in the next video because it's getting to 5 o'clock now. I'm not going to be taking any more trades. I'm going to head out, go to the gym. There's nothing really more to update on. I'll see how it progresses during London tomorrow, and I'll film and update it. Currently, like I said, pretty much break even on this trade, a little bit of profit. So we'll see if we get the continuation. Hopefully we do. But yeah, still down because of that one trade. We took that loss earlier. So down about 7% on the account. So if this trade wins, then we should be 5% drawdown. But if it loses, then we'll be about 8% drawdown. So important trade for the challenge. I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Probably upload either tomorrow or the next day because I'll film this position. I appreciate the support though, guys, on all the videos, all this growing this channel. I appreciate it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.